Hello and welcome to the channel. Honestly, I love what I do. That is why you see me giving you new content almost every day. I have an old document with me here, Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. So in this video, I will use Microsoft Word to repair this picture you are seeing right now, so that it will be as white as snow. So do you have any old document at home? You can easily repair your document the easy way, making use of Microsoft Word. So without wasting much of your time, let me go show you what to do. I have this saved on my desktop already, so I will get rid of it now. Here is my Microsoft Word. So what I should do here is to go get that picture. Let's go to Insert and go for Pictures here. I will use this device because I already have it on my desktop. I think I saved that with old document here. Here we go. When we do here, let me just zoom out. Let me zoom out. So here is our document. Immediately it brought us to this picture format. Once we're here, what we have to do is to go for wrap text. So click here and go select in front of text. Okay, after that, beside this accessibility, you can see this arrow here, format picture. Click on it, this part, go for picture, this picture icon, click on it, it will take you here. So let's start the work. Sharpness, I can increase this to 80 or 65 or 75. So let me increase, just press and hold. Let's go for, let me see, you can see changes. Have a look at the document, you can see changes. So let me go for 70, 78. Then for brightness, I will click and hold. Let's see what happens. You can see that. And for contrast, let me click and hold. Let me go decrease the brightness a bit. I think I should increase that. We're good to go. But there is one thing you can do here. You see, we have this dark spot up here. Let's go get rid of this and this. So to get rid of them, go for Insert and navigate to Shapes. Let's grab this rectangle shape, then let's draw it here, and then go for let's go for sharp. No, let's go for shape fill and give it white, and then shape outline and give it white. We are good to go. So what you have to do, you don't have to, what you can do here is just to take it, click and take it with you. No, once you have it here, copy, right click and copy, then click and leave it here and come over here and go for paste, Control V, then I will take it down, leave it on top of it, click outside, and we're good to go. If you don't want to do the copy and paste, you can equally go over, let's say I want to remove this 9, you can equally go back to insert, then shapes, then take this, put it up here, then go for shape fill, select white, and here again select white, and you are good to go. You can see how easily we could repair our document. Any document at all, you can easily repair it by making use of Microsoft Word. The easy way. So guys, I have a lot of content for you guys. A lot of content. Because of time factor, I'm not able to, get them out where I kept them. So, but if you need more content from me, kindly subscribe to the channel. Click on that red subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. So beside that subscription button, you will see a notification bell. Click on it, then click on all, so that whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel, you will be notified to come check it out. Thank you for the visit, and God bless.